let's start our fourth experiment, and that is uh, to sort n number of elements using selection sort. Now, what is selection sort? So, the selection sort algorithm sorts an array by repeatedly finding the smallest element from an unsorted part and putting it at the beginning. The algorithm maintains two subarrays. One is already sorted array and other subarray which is unsorted array. Okay, and in every iteration of this sorting process, the minimum element or considering the smallest element from the unsorted subarray is picked and moved it to the sorted subarray. Okay, that means array is divided in two parts. One is sorted array, another is unsorted array. Okay, so first finding the smallest element and put it to the sorted array. Okay, and selection sort always considering the ascending order. That means sorting can be done either in ascending order or in descending order, but in selection sort it is always considered the ascending order. Okay, that means the increasing order. In every iteration of selection sort, first the smallest element can be found and then inserted this smallest element to its appropriate position. Okay, and to sort n number of array, n number of elements, it requires n minus 1 number of passes. That means, for example, if 6 element, the array of 6 element, it requires how many number of passes? 6 minus 1, that is it requires 5 number of passes for sorting. Okay, okay, now let's have a look an example. Okay, so what I already mentioned, that first find the smallest element of the array and place it on the first position. Then find the second smallest element of the array and place it on the second position. And the process continues until we get the complete sorted array. Okay. So now, how does this algorithm works? Here, in first pass, look at here. This is an example of unsorted array of how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 element. Okay. So this is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So for the first position in the sorted list, what is need to be done? First, the whole array is scanned sequentially, that is one by one. Here 14. Okay. Next 33, 27, 10, 35. In this way, after scanning the complete array, it finds that 10 is the lowest element. Okay, that means 10 comes to first index position. That means 14 and 10 is swapped with each other. Now look at here. After swapping, yeah, here. After swapping, 10 comes here and 14 comes this position. 10th earlier position. Okay. So 10, this first element is sorted. Next, again scanning start. 33, 27, one by one. After completing the whole array, it is found that 14 is the next lowest element. That means the second lowest element is 14, right? Okay. Here, next 14 is swapped with whom? The second element. That means 13 comes here and 14 comes to the second position. Here, look at here. Now, this part is sorted and now this is the unsorted part. Next, again the process of scanning starts. Okay, 27, 33, 35. In this way, after scanning, it is found that 19 is the third lowest element. That is, 19 is swapped with this third element, that is 27. The 27 comes to this position and 19 comes to this position. Okay, here 19 is sorted. Next, again 27. It is found that 27 is the next lowest value. That means 27 comes to this position and 33 comes to this position. Now, half of the array is sorted and remaining half is the unsorted. Okay, here. Next, 33 is the lowest. So, 33 comes to this position and 35 comes to this position. Here, look at here. Okay, next 35 is sorted. Okay, oh, no problem. 42 is okay. No problem. No swapping. 44. So, in this way, the complete array is sorted. Right? Okay. Now, here. Let's discuss the selection sort coding part. Okay. Here. What happened? First, one smallest value integer. Okay. Data type smallest and function is integer array of how many numbers? No fixed number, no. The number what we need to sort, that is put here. Again, now main function calling integer array of 10 elements. Here array of 10 elements. These are the 10 elements and this array is completely unsorted array, right? Okay. Next, I is one variable, j another, k one temporary variable and one positional variable. Okay. Loop start. First, what is to be done? Position. So, smallest of array, then the how many elements? 10 and I. Okay. Array of I is assigned to temporary variable. An array of position. Position, that means which position? The smallest value. Okay, after scanning the complete array, it marks the smallest position, that is assigned to the array of I, and then the temporary value is assigned to whom? Array of position. So in this way the swapping done. Look at here. Understood? Okay. Next, printing the sorted element. Yeah, okay. Then loop up. How many times the loop? Here. Okay. Okay. Uh, Next, look at here. When the smallest function called control comes to this position, small positions and j, an array of first element assigned to the small value, array of I assigned to the position. Okay, again look at here. If array of j less than small value, then the swapping done in between them. Okay, look at here. Array of j assigned to small, and j, the value of j assigned to the positional value, and in this way return position. Okay, got it? Now run this program. Here, this is the output, and output is as it is. Look at here, the sorted element here. This is the input, right? And output is in a sorted array, and it maintains the ascending order. I have already told now, selection sort always maintain the increasing order, that is the ascending order. Okay? Okay. So in this way the selection sort is done.